Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to taking off the keys of your MSI laptop. So, unfortunately, it is possible to take off your keys of your keyboard of your laptop, but I would not recommend it unless you unless something is broken, because on most of laptops now, not only on the MSI ones, you have the membrane keyboard. And it's not like the mechanical one where you have to just take off the keycap and the switch will be exposed and you can just clean it, put it back in, and the process is much more hard to perform, and you will be have to replace the hinges and other gum pieces underneath the keycap. So it is possible to take off the switches with a screwdriver or a hook or something, but I would not recommend it because it's not worth to do that. So we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.